What's up, guys? This is Jimmy, also known as Jumanji1776, lead trader, operator, co-founder, operator at Option Goats Trading LLC. Check out our website here at optiongoatsllc.com. If you scroll down to where it says free membership, if you hit this join free, it will take you to our free Discord that looks just like this right over here. If you sign up for the OG Prime membership, you get the Prime chat, Advanced Convos. I share my trade ideas that I sometimes take, some of the other traders, and you also get the bot. Which is through Tradeitics. And so a couple different things that you get there. Instead of the 60, if you use the code SPRING30, you would get 3 months for $30 per month and be able to use the Discord. So super excited for this weekly recap, mostly because we're going to choose the January winner. I already know who it is. And so I'm really excited to announce because it's actually a new person that has never won before. So first things first, don't forget to hit like and subscribe at our YouTube page right down here. And you're like, Jim, I don't even know what the heck options are. Can you help me out here? Go to Credit Spread Crash Course or go to Debit Spread Crash Course. If you want to see like what kind of trades we take, what people trade in the chat, you can check out any of these swing recaps. This is for January 31st, 2022. And so we're already into February right now as I'm recording this video. So just a couple of things that we're going to go over and make sure that we address, just because market's kind of weird right now. So let's see. Let's start with SOXL. So this is a semiconductor stock. Semis go up, stock goes up, goes down. Likewise, we sold a 42.43 put spread. It is for, I believe, in March. Let's see. SOXL, here it is. So yep, SOXL. We collected $35. Max loss is 65. Right now, we're up about 50% on the play, and so we're going to be looking for the full premium once it gets up there. So really excited about that one. That one expires next week, so we do have a little bit of time. But right now, we might be, closing the spread for profit before the date might be an option as well. So keeping that in mind. Moving on, Roblox. Now this deal here. We did collect a lot of juice on this one, but we are way down below from where it needs to pop up from, so which about like $24. And so we're going to most likely take the L on that one. Billy, this one we're just waiting to expire worthless so we can collect the full premium. That one's going to come back to us $100 credit. So super happy about that play. I'll go over Sheep here in a bit. Ford had earnings, they tanked. I'm actually seeing this as a buying opportunity. So right now it dipped, and then the ER, it dipped again. So I'll be watching to buy another $22 22 strike call for next January, just because I do see Ford popping up and going higher in the future. So not really worried. In fact, I think this is a really great buying opportunity for Ford. So all right, so there's Ford. Okay, so Riot's actually coming back. This deal, I thought we were going to be losing on this play, but right now it's approaching the 50 SMA. We sold the 23-24 put spread when it was entangling with it. This one had a lot of juice in it. So if this one actually comes back, we're going to collect a lot more premium on the way back, except right now it's got about $5 left. And I believe it expires, let's see, Riot 2/18, which is next week. So we still have a whole week, but it would need to keep progressing higher and higher. If it reaches the 24 mark, wouldn't even be a bad idea to sell another put spread or just get out of it with the wash and say we're done with the trade. Baba, we're currently up 33%. So our strikes are 130 and 135 call spread, and they are from March 13th. Let's make this thicker. Yeah. And March 18th, and right now we're doing pretty good. We collected a lot of premium on it. Right now it's at 126, so it's still below the strike. So right now, actually, we might be up just like 30% today, which is fine. I do believe ER is this week, so we'll be watching for that, as well as the implied volatility is going to be increasing the spread. So right now would not be a good time to close our spread, especially now that we have more than a month left in time for the spread. So keeping that in mind moving forward. Let's look at the overall market, shall we? Let's look at the daily, get my bubbo jumbo stuff off. Okay, so we had this big dip, right? And we're popping back up. If we blast through 460 this week, which would be right about here, I think it's going to be lights out, and we're going to be back to our bullish market. We did have a nice consolidation phase from like July of last year till now. In fact, I would even say we're still consolidating. I do think that if, selling premium for next year, a wide spread or something like that, we could definitely see those being profitable next year. IV is coming down a bit, although today we had a huge gap up, so IV is a little higher. But yeah, watching SPY as we keep going. We do have SHIB. So let's go to SHIB. So SHIB, so we were up here and then it came down. It was leveling out here, which right now, yeah, this line was super importante right here. We're going to make that one thicker because that one is starting to become a very big line. It was before, and it was before and it is now. So right now we're looking for a breakthrough 35 on SHIB and see how far it can go above the 50 SMA. This isn't going to be, I don't think this is going to be some type of breakout. I think this is just a lot of volume in one little place, and I don't think we're really going to get anything out of it. Today is Wednesday in February, or yeah, in the second week of February. And so, I get paid this Friday, so I'll be adding another $100 of SHIB to my portfolio. I'm still buying $100 of SHIB every 2 weeks. And so right now I believe we're up to 40 million SHIB, so which is worth, the crazy part is that like right down here, it was worth like $750. And right now it's about 1,400, or not 1,400, about 1,350, because we had bought a couple of batches of SHIB here at the download down there. So super happy with that play. Okay, let's go through some of the profits that we had last week, or excuse me, yeah, last week. So let's see, the 31st. I think last week was a little bit of a chill day. Cuzzy Scalps had a 77% scalp on one of his trades, which was really, really cool. AES had a trade on, it looks like Bank of America made 137%. So super excited for that trade on him. ROM killing it, 28% on the Apple put. And then another 21% on the PFE call. So super happy that they were able to make some profits there last week. As far as trades go, last week I only opened up let's talk about the Facebook trade. What am I talking about? I just went over all the trades that we had, but I had a trade last week on Facebook that worked out super, super well. So this was actually the only play I had last week, except for I bought 11 more shares of PDT. So now I own 1,653 total of PDT shares. So now we're getting about $165 a month with PDT dividends. And we bought this when it was at the dip right down here, when it was at like $15 a share. So super, super happy that we got those ones cheap. And then Facebook. So this was the play last week that we did leading up to the ER. So what we did was we bought the 345, sold the 347.50 call, and it was a 2-4 strike. So it was really, really cheap play. I took it from the cheap leads, which was from this channel that I have right here. It was on the 31st. I think Facebook, there it is, 347.50 call for 2-4 for $20. By Wednesday, those calls were actually $160. So I actually could have just got just the call and called it good, but instead we were able, which still just as good, we were still able to get out of Facebook wanting one of the Facebook spreads for 160%. So we got our money back plus some, and then we helped the other one through the ER, right? Because that was basically a free play. So we lost on the play, but we ended up getting 60% on the play for the week. So that ended up being the only play that we had last week. So I'm like super, super happy about that play. We had another one. We had the same plan, another account, made $780, 433% on those Facebook spreads. So super happy on that one. But yeah, just using all the resources that we have in the Discord just to figure, you know, a trade or an idea that we might want to take, or maybe we'll get filled on something that we don't think we'll get filled on. And so just moving forward, we're utilizing everything that we have in the Discord. So drum roll, please. This is going to be the month of January's winner. Oh, I went a little too far. Let's see here. Here it is. It's going to go to Young Goku. Congratulations, my man. Super excited that you are becoming a little bit more active in the chat. You've always been active, period, but I thought this was really cool that I didn't know you scalp trade often. And it looked like you started scalp trading a little bit, but anyways, you took this Tesla call, 1100 call on the day that Tesla rocketed. You made 18% on a scalp trade. So again, not looking for big gains on scalp trades. This looked like this was a decent day trade and you were able to come out with $380. So congratulations, my man. I really like this play. And so when it popped up, I kind of already knew that I was going to be picking you for the monthly because I'm not a scalp trader. So if you have the cojones to do the scalp trade and you really want to keep progressing at it and you keep trying at it, you have at it, my dude. But anyways, you're going to win either the $50 that we can send you the money at, or we can send you an Option Goats Trading t-shirt. Let us know and I'll make the announcement today, and then that way you'll know. So other than that, guys, that was your swing recap for the week of January 31st, and the winner of the month of January is Young Goku. So thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe on our website, on our YouTube, and check out our Discord on our website as well. And you can see who's about what and what's about what on there too. So thank you guys for watching this video. Check out our other videos and we'll catch you next week. Thank you so much for watching this video and have a good week. Bye.